We are at the end of our stay at the Holiday Inn Resort here. So I just thought I'd do a quick little room tour just on the off chance that somebody is watching this and is going, what do the rooms look like up here? Okay, so here's the bathroom. Now we have totally cleared out the bathroom because we're actually at the end of our stay here. But it has a little shelf underneath there. They had all of the normal little things, which we have already put away, but it had like shampoo, conditioner, all of the little things that you normally find in the hotel. The shower is really clean, very, very clean, very nice. It has a couple of shelves in it, plenty of towels, things like that. The floor is this, it's like a plastic laminate maybe. The fake looking wood, which is great when you're coming in from the beach because it feels clean when they've come in and cleaned the rooms. You get a closet, extra blanket. We did not use this, but it's a little thing for luggage. Ironing board, iron is in there too. You get this massive refrigerator, and this thing has the, wait, it looks like it has an ice maker. We didn't use the ice maker, but it looks like it has one. Nice big fridge with our leftovers. Microwave, ice container, Keurig, and last night we asked them if they could bring up some more coffee because we didn't use turn down service yesterday and we forgot to get our coffee. So they very kindly and quickly brought us up coffee. Lots of storage down here. Lots of storage on this bench, lots of drawers, nice big television. We are on the 15th floor. The room we got is, I don't know what they called it, but we were not supposed to have this room. When they found out it was our honeymoon, they upgraded us to the 15th floor. Oh, I didn't clean up our mess over here, but we have a little table, some chairs. The windows are nice. They open like that, and they also open like this, so you can see we have pretty amazing view. And again, this is on the 15th floor. So I'm gonna walk outside so I can show you our view from the deck, but it's a little bit loud because of everybody's air conditioning. But this is the view, and it's a pretty decent sized porch.
A lot of shoes out there today.
Yeah, lots of room. There's enough room for very cozy for two people, and you don't feel cramped. And then that's the view. And you can hear music from downstairs. So this little thing here is where the band plays. They have live music starting around, I think it's like 1 o'clock or something. And there's the pool, and last night they did a movie. You could hear and see the movie from up here. We decided to go down and watch it from the pool, but you could easily sit, especially if you were in one of these rooms down here, you could easily just sit and watch that movie from your back patio. But it looks like there is a yellow flag today, so we are gonna go spend our last little bit of the morning on the ocean. And yeah, that's about it. And that concludes our room tour. Oh wait, I should probably show this way. Show what it looks like from inside. And then when you go back in, there it is, nice and big. And that's it.
Very chill.
Very chill. We'll let that be the last shot.